Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on channel. Keep watching the video till the end. To post on channel on IMO, firstly go ahead and launch open your IMO application on your device. The home page of IMO will be displayed on the screen. Tap on human menu icon at the top right corner of the page and click on channels. Tap on the channel where you'd want to create a post and then tap on post option. You can either post a message or a file. Here I'm going to go with message. Enter a message and tap on arrow icon at the top right corner of the page. This is how you can post on channel on your emails account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.